People are praying for Nosipho to be strong. She doesn't deserve what is going on right now, guys. Oh, girl, she's a peaceful girl. Even yesterday, she did post a video on her YouTube channel. She's busy minding her own business. A lot of people are saying, that is totally unfair that is going on right now. This girl, she has been nothing but good to this man. So people are calling out to her ex-husband, Zola Nchangaze, to stop doing copy-paste the wife. So, guys, these are the pictures that people notice. So, the guy, he took his new wife Misukuhle in the same hotel as he once took Nozip, and people are saying what no, it's giving Leroy Sedambe and Michelin Damasi, same script, different cast. But unlike the last time, we are not just watching, we are calling it out, because when traditionally becomes a mask for betrayal, somebody has to say the quiet part out loud. So people are calling out to Zola to say, man, you cannot do this. Respect your wife. You understand? You go to our Samfuni, you are happy with your new wife. The only thing you could do is to respect her. And she's the only celebrity we know here. We don't know you. If it wasn't for her, there was no way we're gonna know you. So people are saying a lot of stuff. I saw some people saying, can we please pray for this woman? She's going through a lot. Yo, guys, kuningi, ziyakhala kuningi, guys. People are saying a lot of stuff. Some are saying good, she knew she could have just walked away. Some are saying with sometimes being a stepmother, it's a wrong thing. When you see a man doing whatever he's doing, just walk away for your own peace. So when you take a look on her social media, oh girl, she seems to be fine, guys, minding her own business, doing whatever she wants. She doesn't care about what is going on here on social media. Some people are saying, oh, go to yo, hi, girl, strong. If it was me, I'll be posting quote to go Instagram saying God loves me, God, yay, kuningi. So it is what it is. Anyway, guys, don't forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Wednesday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.